Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is part 2 of the Ford ST limited edition bike by Daehan. This is the 2017 model, which is the last model of the Ford bike collection made by Daehan. I'm going to show you the 360 view of this bike and how beautiful it is. This bike is truly a beauty. I just picked it up a couple of days ago, costing a little fortune, but not enough to break my pocket, but an excellent collectible. As you can see, the seat is imprinted with the Ford logo, along with the frames here. Is not the cheesy stickers. These are actually logos imprinted on the frame itself. This bike weighs about 23 pounds with 18-inch wheels and 9-speed gear by Shimano. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and I'll make more of this review. Until then, see ya.